Hey guys, welcome to Tim the Toolman of Home Improvement. I told you guys before we've got a lot of projects going on, so I kind of wanted to show you what we've got going on today. We are actually putting in a new shower fixture that's going to be going in this area here. Now, one of the things that I just did was I actually cut out the copper pipe that you see here, put what they call sharkbite fittings on, which are amazing as far as simplicity. No welding, no soldering, nothing is involved other than just making sure that after you cut the copper, you clean it up before you put that piece in. It's pressurized, so it automatically seals itself. And then this apex pipe, it does the same thing right at the shark bite. And then at the top here, I had to put and switch over to and do the apex small pipe with a 3/4 fitting. And this 3/4 fitting here and here, because the unit actually has a 3/4 slot on both sides, and that's the unit that goes there, and you'll see that a little bit later. But I wanted to show you some of the ways that we had changed the pipes, because the original pipe was this, and we're all familiar with this, where it's got the cold and the hot, and it goes into the diverter, which is your shower, and then it comes up to your shower head. All right, we're not using that in this application here. We are basically just going to be using this, and the unit itself has its own shower head, and like I said, I'll explain it as I go along, but I wanted to kind of give you the first steps of what we've done so far. Now, one thing we did do is we changed, I accidentally used the wrong color for the pipe, but the pipes are the same, so we already know from the unit that the black is here, or the hot is here and the cold is here, and that's what it shows down here from the unit. The hot is here, the cold is here. But that was just a simple mistake. But we'll continue and show you exactly what we're doing. Okay, so what we've done now is we've actually secured. So we've put tape on here. We've secured the 2.5-inch galvanized nipple, and we've also secured it to the 2x4 so this thing isn't moving at all. It's definitely something you want to do to make sure that this thing stays secure against the wall. There's no movement. Then what we did is we wanted to make sure everything was good, so we walked through and we checked all our parts here. Everything is good. It's all dry. No issues. No issues on the corners here. We're all good. So now we can seal this back up with drywall. And I wanted to put this on to make sure that we knew and tried it to make sure that everything was good and we knew exactly everything was going to work fine. All right, so now we're going to put the drywall on.